BMW 750i. Give a guess. We fully straight piped it now. Muffler and resonator, X-pipe installed. Again. Not bad. Go ahead and back it out. Not bad. A little bit louder. I think that's all you need.
I think it's perfect.
Yeah. Because it's a classic car too.
Yeah.
You don't want it crazy.
Yeah, I want
loud.
to keep that. I want to keep that class.
Yeah. All right. Let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go, 750iL BMW. Fully straight piped, other than the cats, of course. Muffler deleted, resonator deleted, X-pipe installed.